What's going on? It's your boy TK here, back with another video. You already know who this is. First time ever featuring him on my channel. He got one of his dream cars. This is JdNation CA Corvette. Again, I'm gonna give you the backstory behind it. I'm gonna introduce you to my buddy JdNation1.
What's going on?
This is his CA Corvette. Hey JD, man, tell me the backstory. What got you liking Corvettes, man? What brought you on board on having a American sports car?
Basically, like when the C7s came out, I started liking them C7. I was like, I want to get a C7, but I just never jumped the gun on one. But when the C8s, when they first introduced them, I said I gotta have one. They had the mid-engine and everything, and I was like, it looked like a supercar. I said, so if the price is right, I'm gonna go get one. And sure enough, eventually the price got right, and I went and got one. And
here you had it, man. You already know. I know you're a hard worker, man. I remember years ago, at the time when you had your previous car, you had a Hellcat Red out for a while. You was talking about getting a Corvette, and you was talking about the CA in particular. I just knew back then it was a matter of time for you get it. Hey, here you are, man. Here you are. You got it. You got it. I know you got your custom wheels on your car. I know you're a big wheel type guy. You like donks and stuff. Especially, I know you have a Dodge Charger that's sitting on 32s. Yeah. But what made you want these Forgiato wheels?
So basically, when it comes to a car, I feel like I'm a big rim rider, so I feel like a car don't look good until you put the wheels on it. Like anybody can go and buy a C8, but what's gonna set your C8 apart? What's gonna set your Red Eye apart? What's gonna set your Tahoe apart?
It's original to you. For your look. Exactly. It's original to you.
Yeah. So I just like to set it apart at the end of the day, and they look good, you know. I'm not in here for the speed and all that stuff. I just like to ride and go to car shows and look good, so that's why I go with the wheels.
There's nothing wrong with that, man, and hey, that works for you. And me personally, hey, I dig it. It's unique, it's different. I haven't seen other Corvettes with this style wheel, but that's like you said, that's what sets it apart. And I dig it. Woo, love these CA interiors. GM and Chevrolet definitely stepped that game up, no question about it, since this body style came out 3 years ago. Even with these wheels you got on here now, it still didn't spin. That's what's crazy. Yes. They used to having that motor in the back. Yeah. You know, mainly the weight distribution is mainly in the back now.
Perfect setup.
It's going to enable you to put that power down. Original cheap engineer, you know, from a long time ago when the Corvette was already out, this is what he wanted. You know, like the race car drivers was complaining with the front engine Corvettes. Oh my God, like the cockpit getting too hot, it's burning my feet. Yeah. Hey, he already knew back then we gotta put that in the back. Exactly. It has to happen. He didn't get his way. Unfortunately, he passed away 27 years ago. Yeah. However, GM knew, fast forward to what, 3 years ago, all had to change. They knew it. Even the race car had to do that. Oh yeah. And I'm fortunate enough, I got to see the race car. Yeah. Not once, but 3 times. The CAR. Yeah, that's good pressure right there. Man, the CAR is able to put the power down compared to the other front engine race cars before it. And there you go, man. Hey, this needed to happen.
It took them to the next level by making that move.
And they had to. Yeah. It was time. They knew, the engineers knew like they learned with the C7. They knew that platform was maxed out. There was nothing they can do. Now the previous ZL6, the C7, yeah, it was already maxed out. What, around 640, 650 horsepower? Yeah. They supercharged it. Yeah. And that was already crazy. And then they stepped it up even further when the ZR1 came out. 750, close 760. Yeah. Round there. Man, I'm like, y'all really like pushing that platform. It's over with. And now, here we are, you know, C8. This is the fastest, you know, quickest standard Corvette, the Stingray you got without no brainer. Fastest ZL6 ever made. Yeah. I expect no less from the ZR1, you know.
Yeah, the ZR1's gonna be so ridiculous and crazy and fast.
You already know. And then that Zora, if they do that, yeah, I heard twin turbos and use a hybridization from the E-Ray. If they do that, it's over with.
Yeah.
But again, I expect that high price tag. We already know.
Of course, yeah.
We already know it's gonna happen.
Even the ZR1 is going to be
that's $200,000.
Yeah, definitely.
That's $200,000 all day long.
It's definitely going to be 200 because the Z06s right now, they're like 150-ish.
Yeah.
And plus the markups that they got going on.
Crazy.
I've seen people spend 200 on the Z06s.
Easily.
With the markups. 250.
Yeah.
250 was the highest that I've seen so far. But
I have too. But I'm not saying it's a bad car. It's an awesome car. It's just golly. The way you got your, your custom wheel set up is different, and I like how you set it up. I mean, this is coming from the horse's mouth.
Right on.
It's different.
Appreciate it.
And keep it going, man. Do your thing.
Oh, yeah, I ain't stopping from here. I'm gonna keep going.
Oh, that's how you do it. Keep going, JD, man. I appreciate you giving me a ride in your C8 Corvette today, man. I enjoyed the ride. Even with these wheels on here now that you got, these custom wheels, they still ride pretty nice.
Yeah, it's still a comfortable ride.
You don't even got the adaptive magnet ride suspension. You got the standard suspension, and it still ride comfortable.
Yeah.
Hey, you don't even got the performance package, and this is all you need for what you're going for.
Exactly.
Hey, keep on trucking, man. Hey, I'm happy for you that you got one of your dream cars.
Appreciate it.
But hey, keep on going. Hey, the grind don't stop.
Oh, it ain't never stopping, man. I'm gonna always keep going up, man.
Keep doing your thing, man. But all right, everybody, that's it for today's video. Like, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel, TK Turbo. I'm